Okay, hello and welcome back, YouTubers. It's day 4 of my 100 days of practice. And so today I decided that I was going to utilize my collection of Inktense pencils that I got for my birthday last year. I got the big set, the biggest one they have, and so I really am enjoying that. And so here you see I'm drawing out the weather, which it was dark time when I started this, so that's what. So today I decided to go with this landscape. Okay, experiencing some more technical difficulties this time with my sound. Okay, so here I wanted to show you that with the Inktense pencils, you do really need to use your color chart because they don't look like anything like the end. Well, they look sort of like the end, but you really can't tell. So I was just showing you that. And this is the color scheme that I chose to go with today on my landscape. So the colors that I'm using there are, and these are all Derwent Inktense. So the 5 colors I'm using are Sun Yellow, Tangerine, Fuchsia, Vivid Green, and Teal Green. And I think those are all included in the 12 set. I'm not really sure. And so for the landscape, I did stick to this color scheme on this painting. You'll be happy to know. But on the rest of the painting, what I'm using is, what I like to use for skin tone is the Baked Earth. And you would never be able to find Baked Earth on the ends of those pencils. So you really need that cheat sheet kind of a thing. And then on the hair, I always like to use a light and a medium and a dark color. So on the hair, I utilized Willow as my dark and Mustard as my light. No, yeah. And Tan as my medium. And then on the cheeks, I used Carmine Pink, but then at the end you'll see that I deepened it up with Fuchsia. And then on the clouds, I used Iris Blue, and on the moon, I used, well, I might have used a tan on the, no, wait, I found it, sorry. On the moon, I used Sicilian Yellow. It's a nice light yellow. And then on the robe, I used Hot Red, and then the Chili Red for the shadows. And that's all the colors that I used. Okay, so one thing about Inktense that you may or may not know is that they don't totally dissolve, so you get a lot of texture, which is good if you're wanting texture. If you don't want texture, there's ways around it, like by putting it on a palette and using it like watercolor. That would work. You could buy the Inktense blocks, but I love the Derwent Inktense. They're my second favorite watercolor pencil because of how bright they are. Look at how beautiful they are. And the other thing that I love about watercolor pencils is that it's pretty dull, and then you go in and add the water and it just, like, wow, the color just gets fabulous. So I love that. And yeah, so I stuck with my color scheme, and then you'll see that I just kind of layer my colors like in pencils. If I want a darker color, I do it deeper, and if I want a lighter color, I just put a little bit of it, and then I hit it with water, and it works out every time. So there you go. So I do like the way this came out. I like my landscape. Hey, thank you for watching my video. Please like and or subscribe, follow, blah blah blah. All the things you do on the internet cost you nothing but mean a lot. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.